What's up guys, it's your boy John, rocking the Type S shirt because we're really rocking the Integra Type S today, and we got some new parts coming in like the Integra Type S front lip by Nguyen. Now this piece is highly anticipated. I think this is the best looking front lip right now. So if you were interested, I'll leave a link down below. It goes really well with the car, fitment's great and whatnot. So I have already semi-unboxed it, and yeah, you can see it just looks amazing. It's lightweight, it's carbon fiber. There is some, like it's rigid, but it does have some bounce to it, so it can take a beating, it feels like. And it'll go something like this. Woo! So I'm looking forward to that. Install is pretty easy. You can see the mounting points right here. 1, 2, 3. And that basically, I don't know if I can get that down here. Let's see if I can. But there's basically 3 clips right here. 1, 2, and 3. So it reuses the OEM mounts, making it super easy. This is very lightweight, which makes it not have to worry too much. And then you have the additional adhesive right here to give it that, ooh, they even have some adhesive right there to give it right. So make sure you wipe this area. Same goes for the other side. And then we have the third piece. Now, some people don't like 3-piece designs, front lips. I'm one of them. But because of the design of this, you really aren't gonna feel like it looks like 3 pieces, because the way it looks like this, and then that, it looks all seamless. So don't fret on that. And the HRC front lip is gonna be like that too. So if you're, this is the one to go for. But yeah, 3-piece, not really a problem when it comes to this particular design. So the 3 button clips right here are pretty easy to take out. As you can see right here, you can use a prying tool or flathead to get it going. Pop the middle part out, and then the whole thing just comes out. There's 3 on this side, and we're already done with a third of the project, because now we just have to put this in. And the way I generally do it is I do something like this, where I start at one corner. I don't take it out all the way, just enough where I can pull it. There you have it. It is on. Fitment's great. I love the way it wraps here. Now, something I had to do, because it was a little bit, my push clips are a little bit too fat, is I spent like 5 seconds and just slightly making this hole a little bit bigger by filing it, and that made it so the push clip was able to come in. It fit, but I'm saying like 10 seconds just, and then your push clip should be able to slide in. And just to make sure it fits through, you put it in. If you can press it in, that means it fits great. Again, I did use a little file to make it so these clips come off pretty easy. Don't need to show you guys the boring part, right? As you can see here, I removed the 6 clips. I have the double-sided tape right here, kind of semi-peeled, but I'm gonna put the 6 clips in first. I'm doing this all one-handed because I'm filming y'all with y'all, but yep. So 1 clip is in. Still have 5 more to go, but man, that's really nice. Just having 1 clip and it's secure like that, and the double-sided tape is not even on yet. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. It's gonna have great rigidity, flexibility at the same time, so like it will be able to take some hits. With all the 6 tabs placed, again, you just peel. So help it out a little bit. Then you want to stick. Start from the middle and fan it out. 15 seconds. Putting about maybe like 10 pounds of pressure on it. All right, that pretty much concludes it. Install was super easy. 3 clips, 6 clips, 12 clips, bars. But yeah, very easy to install. Front lip doesn't overhang too much. This side piece is the aggressive part, but it really forms into the fog light, or what do you want to call it? The fog bezels, as most cars, this would be like a bezel for the fog light. It's just an air duct right here. Fitment, great. I did put some ceramic coat on it too, made it look using sea quartz. That's optional, but I really want this to look good and last long. And yeah, if you guys were interested in the Jogan front lip, I'll leave a link down below on where you can buy it. Just for now, enjoy the glamour shots, and you guys won't regret this. This is a great piece, and you don't have to remove your front bumper, which scared me for some front lips. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.